YouTube. So this is the Panda Photographer, and once again I'm having YouTube communications and difficulties with the platform, and I believe the platform is just continuing to be a bully. The reason why I'm saying this is because if you look at my revenue right now, it dropped down 36% since my last payout. So I got paid on December 23rd, and since then it's just been dropping. And the reason why I'm going to show you why it's dropping, because this is, I'm going to show you November's date. So if I show you November, look at that. I'm up 18%. Watch time is up 14%. Subscribers up 46%. Revenue share, look at that, 59.01 at 12%. And this is where things get a little bit weird. Look at that dramatic drop from 19% on my views to 20% on my watch times to 39% for my subscribers from November. Look at that, guys. That is absolutely weird. And look at this. This is even worse. This is January's, by the way. This is for the last 7 days. Actually, it's to January. It won't display January, but 2020. Let's do lifetime. Okay, and let's do. It was displaying January. There it is. See, now you can see that, like, this doesn't make any sense. Look at that, guys. 80% and subscribers. So, and look at my revenue. It just keep dropping and dropping. Look at that, big change. And YouTube doesn't explain why this happened. I know it's 2020, I understand, but still, you're changing everything on the platform without letting the creators know anything about it, and then the revenue gets hit. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that is having a revenue hit from this big change. So YouTube is at it again, being the bullies they are. Now, as I said, I've been posting content back to back in the last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So it's not like I'm not being inconsistent. It's YouTube being inconsistent. So with that said, everyone, if you're having YouTube problems still in 2020, let me know.